Yeah, so when you start an architectural design, it always starts with an idea, of course, and the architect has a vision around what the building is going to look like. And pretty quickly, these first sketches appear, and you lock in on a very conceptual level what the building is going to be, if it's modular or not. And in our case, it's modular, so that's where we're going. Now at this stage, it's time for us to introduce if we have any standardized units or standardized modules that we want to infuse into design. It's very good that they come up in a very early stage, so they are part of that design all the way through. Now we develop our designs in the architectural stage using Revit as a software. So it becomes a 3D model where we can coordinate with all our sub-consultants too, to make sure that all our pipes are running free from the structures, for example. Now, when we've reached the stage of design development where it's time to get approvals, we submit a drawing set and get that stamped. And once that's received, we can now walk into what's called the shop drawing stage, where we apply the very detailed description of our building system in terms of defining where are nails sitting, what's the cut for a sheet, how long is a particular piece. And once we had that fully detailed, that model is now a full representative of the entire design. And at VBC we do that with a double take on software. We continue with Revit for some portions for the MEPs and HVAC, and we use software called Vertex for the structural parts. And the particular choice is made because Vertex is good at speaking NC language and has a lot of links to machinery. The language to speak to a machine isn't really through a drawing, it is through a file with instructions, and the file instructs the machine how to move. So when we're done with the very detailed design at the level of detail 450 is the industry term for it, you will now export into a machine file. And that machine file is uploaded into the machine, and now it can work on those instructions.